To change Samsung keyboard themes in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select language and input. Tap on screen keyboard. Select Samsung keyboard. And then tap style and layout. On keyboard themes, tap keyboard themes. And then select keyboard theme you want, like solid light, dark, or solid dark. Okay, you can see keyboard theme, and then tap back button to save. Okay, let's try. Samsung keyboard theme was changed in dark times. Keyboard theme, solid dark, solid light. Then tap back button to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.